What's going on there, folks? I'm Quinn, that's Snazzy iPhone Guy, and this is the long overdue review of the FAVI electric projection canvas for home theater, conference room, classroom, and really any environment that requires a projection screen. Now, this is the 89-inch model, which will retail you $209 US. Let's get started. Now, this comes in both a 110 volt and a 220 volt counterpart, depending on your location in the world, albeit America or elsewhere. So don't worry, this will work wherever you live. Amongst the necessary hardware to mount the screen on either a wall or a ceiling, it will also come with this handy little tool which allows you to adjust where the screen starts and or stops, so if you want to discreetly hide the canvas while it's not in use, you can do so. Last but certainly not least, the canvas comes with two remotes, one infrared and one radio frequency, which, if your canvas is hidden, doesn't require line of sight. These have good build and both allow for replaceable batteries. Of course, if you don't want to use remotes, you can control the screen by the unit itself. Also stored on this is an infrared receiver for the IR remote, an LED to notify you if the screen is in operation, and a rear-facing bracket mount to hide the somewhat unattractive unit. Now, as you can see, the screen certainly isn't a Speedy Gonzales if I've ever seen one. However, the ultra-quiet motor doesn't draw attention while the screen's in motion. Now, obviously, the clarity and the quality of a canvas is the most important part, and FAVI certainly didn't forget that. The screen material is a high-gain, matte white material, which is not only standard in the industry, but optical for your typical projection needs. Now, we also have some pretty high-quality projection canvases in our golf simulator as well as our home theater, and you can't tell the difference between those and the FAVI canvas, especially considering the FAVI one is more than half price of some of the competing canvases on the market. Now, all of FAVI's canvases are backed by their 1-year warranty, which is nice to see, especially when you have an electric canvas with moving parts. Now, as you can see, we've kept our canvas outside for 1.5 years, and as you can see, it's in great condition. I'm sure FAVI doesn't recommend that you mount it outside, and we probably can't recommend that either, but as you can see, it's a super high quality display that holds up in the long term, and it really is worth your money. Thanks for watching. As always, stay snazzy, and let's dance.